Hey, welcome back. I'm Nate Moore. This is Excel video 443. I'll be putting a plug for a minute for the MGMA Financial Management Pair Contracting Conference. It's March 1st through 3rd in Phoenix. Great conference, lots of great ideas and opportunities to network. And I will be there. 2 sessions on business intelligence and how to data mine your data to get a better feel for what's going on in your practice. I look forward to seeing you in Phoenix. We're going to play with a few more axis options today. In the last Excel video, we went through some of the basics for the vertical and the horizontal axis. We've done the axis options here and gone through this list. Let's minimize this a bit and talk just briefly. Tick marks is where the axis and the label meet up on that axis, X or Y axis. You can do both a major and a minor type. Labels, the position, they have a couple high, low, none. It's not the end of the world on those. The thing I want to spend a minute on is the number. So what I have here is my number. The way that these dates are formatted is linked to the source. If I take this link off and come over here and let's change the number format to add full month and a 4-digit year and click OK. If I do that and come over here, because I unchecked this linked to source box, these labels don't reflect what's on my spreadsheet. Almost always, I'll get my spreadsheet right and let the chart pick it up and link to source and let it roll. But if this, for some reason, has to be one way and you need it to be the other, you can undo this. You can change a format code like that. Something, whoops, I want 3 M's. There we go. And you can do something like that and make that work if you absolutely had to have the raw data appear one way and the chart appear another. Almost always I link to source. But you can tweak the way the numbers are displayed here. The other thing you can do is I could come over here and tweak the way these are formatted. Now they got some crazy formatting codes that I'm not too worked up about. But I could make these currency or accounting or number or that kind of thing and tweak the way these numbers are displayed. Again, I almost always just get the number right here and then roll with the automatic way that the chart displays it. Couple of more minor options here. You can change the fill color and the line color, but we're going to talk about fill and line in a different scenario. Changing the fill and line color of the X and Y axis doesn't really do a whole lot for you. Even though there's lots of different things you can do, these two options don't really apply to axes as much. I've never used them much with axes. Same with all these shape kind of options, shadow and glow. I'm not worked up about it there. And the alignment is not a big deal. Sometimes I'll use text direction. Here, if you look at text direction, what you can do is you can change the way the text is displayed, or you can put it at a custom angle like that, or you can make it go back the other way. If you make the angle go negative, you can make it do that if you need to. And again, where am I? I'm under alignment here on the Format Axis tab. Text options lets you change the text fill and the text outline. Again, these are more shape kind of things like this. I typically don't change this unless I want to change the color of the text to match my chart. I could come here and make my fill color red if that mattered to me. Again, this is 3D fancy kind of stuff that I don't use a whole lot of, and this is the alignment of the text box. This is the thing I do the most of, is tweaking the alignment of how these things work. That's what I wanted to show you about the Format Axis options. Again, from here, axes, whoops, there we go. More options brings this menu up, and those are all the different options you can use to change your axis. Hang on, stay tuned. Next time, we're going to talk about the axis titles. Whether or not, see, if I put them here, we need to put an axis title there. Sometimes it's helpful, sometimes it's not. We'll talk about it in the next Excel video. Thanks for watching.